ice storm. Fucking ice. I hope it don't break my window. Where the?
Where?
Ice storm. God, I don't want to stop. Believe this? Can't believe this.
I've never seen it like this.
I never seen it.
My whole life.
I never. Holy man, this is a fucking storm we're in. Look at the trees.
Yeah.
I think it was worse under the trees if we weren't, Tony. Oh man, Carol, you gotta see this. I'm trying to text you, but the text didn't go through. Fucking ice storm. Fucking ice. Fucking hail. The size of a fucking ball. I never see nothing like it. It's like
either.
I never see nothing like it. It's like a hurricane went through here.
Yeah.
Thank God my window on the car didn't break. I must have dents, but this is an old car. I'm not worried. You have a new car right now, boy. You're gonna have big problems. And the wind is. Look at the guy. You can't even get out of your car. It's unreal.
You can't get out.
It's a storm that I never seen before. Ice balls coming down. Hail. Hail. Did you live through it, Tony?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we managed to live through it. I don't know what happened. I'm taping it. I'm sitting here in the car. I can't even get out. Did you wake your mother up?
Yeah.
What'd she say? Unreal. It's calming down a little now.
Calm down.